What's up, fellow droppers? We've got something really special for you all today. We've had a lot of requests for this over the past couple of months, and y'all have been asking, and today we're delivering. Today, we are dropping our very own Fellow Drops baked beans, maple and onion flavored. This is something that we've been cooking up in our lab for quite some time now, both as a project and, food. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it and cook these up. Personally, I like to store my beans in an Atmos vacuum canister just to ensure that they stay as fresh as possible. I don't want to compromise any of the delicate flavors in these beans. I don't want them to get old. I don't want them to get stale. So that's why I do that. But, however, if you don't have an Atmos, our manufacturer's packaging should work pretty well to preserve these beans for quite some time. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this can. You will need a standard can opener to get into these. And let's go ahead and crack the seal. So one of the first things you're going to notice upon opening up these beans is just the overwhelming fragrance of them. It's pretty fantastic. There's just this strong scent of maple that just smacks you right in your olfactory senses. That's good. Oh my God. Wow. You guys are gonna love this. So, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Much like our Carter mugs, I like to cook with ceramic lined pans, just to really preserve the flavors that are in the beans. I don't want to impart any stainless steel taste onto them. It's kind of icky. So yeah, gonna go ahead and put my ceramic lined pan on our cooktop, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and plop these beans on there. Oh yeah, look at that. Those are some nice beans. Wow. Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, got the whole can. And now, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna let it simmer at about a medium heat for about 5 minutes or so. One really important thing about these beans, there's no need to prep them beforehand. You can just plop them right in. No need to grind them, no need to sift them for fines or boulders. It's really just what you get in the can is gonna be perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let these simmer for a couple of minutes. One thing you're also gonna wanna make sure to do is you're gonna wanna make sure to agitate your beans. This is really gonna make sure that it cooks evenly and you get a nice, even heat over all of the beans. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give these a little stir. Oh yeah, and I can already tell, I can smell just the fragrance of these beans wafting up. These are gonna be good. After about 5 minutes, the beans should be bubbling a little bit, and at this point, you're gonna wanna taste the beans just to make sure that they're at the right temperature. Personally, I find that these open up really well at around 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, but that, again, that's just my personal preference. I think these are looking like they're about ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and just taste. So I've also got my lovely cupping spoon. Oh, those look real good. So here we go. Oh yeah. Wow. Just wow. I'm getting some notes of caramel, definitely maple in there, a little bit of pork and bacon, even though these beans are vegan. Just really amazing. Slight acidity in there, but it's just, there's this omnipotent, overpowering sweetness with these beans that just cuts through all of that. It's really just bludgeoning my taste buds right now. Wow. Man, I want another bite. Anyway, these beans are smooth, they're really pleasant, it's got a lovely mouthfeel. Don't miss out. Make sure you pick up a can of these beans. And let us know if you want more varieties of beans in the future. It's definitely something that we'd love to work on and deliver to you guys. Pro tip, after you've cooked up your beans, you can throw them into a carder mug. One can fits perfectly into any of our 12-ounce carders. So today I'm rocking the Stone Blue. It's one of our new colors. You can pick those up on fellowproducts.com, but we're just gonna go ahead and pour those right in. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly. Might be a little messy, but nothing a little sponge can't handle. So yeah, go ahead and pick up a can of our Fellow Drops baked beans today. Thanks for watching.